and welcome to my channel. If you are new, if you're one of my OG subscribers, welcome back. So I'm super excited to be filming this video because I will be showing you guys how to utilize the DTF hack that's been going around all over on YouTube. It's been a hit for me. I've been loving this method. I use my sublimation printer, so it's a DTF to sublimation hack, and you're able to use this on 100% cotton. I will be using the Gildan brand white 100% cotton shirt, and I'm gonna be showing you guys all the supplies I will be using and the steps to being able to do this method from home. Okay, before I go further out into this video, I did want to pause and give a special shout out to Creative Fabrica for sponsoring today's video. So one of my designs that I will be using is from their website, and they have so many millions of different fonts, designs, graphics, all of that. I will be showing you guys towards the end where you can go on their site to find the one that I am going to be using today, and also show you guys so many options that they have, like I said. And I do have a special announcement to share with you towards the end as well, so stay tuned. Before making the shirt, I did want to show you guys the supplies I will be using for today's video. So this is the premium DTF transfer film that I purchased on Amazon, and it came with the powder, so it came as a kit for about $20 to $25 if I'm not mistaken. I went ahead and removed the powder and put it in this bin so that it can be storage in a nice cool place and away from the kids, because I do have children. So this film is the one that works for me personally, but they do have other options as far as different brands on Amazon and at your local craft store. But I personally love to use this one. And then we are going to go ahead and use the ruler because I want to make sure that my image is centered correctly. And of course, I'm going to be using parchment paper because it's non-stick. I always use this for my DTF hacks. I do not use butcher paper or Teflon sheet because it has messed up on my images in the past. So this is the Gildan brand 100% cotton shirt that I will be using today. And you always want to make sure that you lint roll your shirt to remove any lint, wrinkles, and moisture. The heat resistant tape is optional. I love to use it because I want to make sure that the image is secure, because after your first press, you have to let it cool off completely before you peel off the film to heat it up one more time. So this is everything that I'm going to be utilizing for the shirt. And again, you can find this on Amazon, and I will be using this heat press right here. And with this specific heat press, you do not want to clamp all the way down because you will ruin the film. You just want to place it low enough to cure the image completely. So I'm going to put it for about 310 degrees for 120 seconds to cure. Before I put the film into the printer, I wanted to show you guys how I personally do it. So I use copy paper and masking tape, and I just put masking tape on the top and the bottom. My printer doesn't feed just with the film. Maybe yours can, but mine's personally, I've tried it, and this is the only method that actually works for me. So we're going to go ahead and put it into the printer. Okay, so once your design has finished printing out, you want to immediately add the powder to the film and coat it evenly, so that we're able to cure it under the press. You want to do this fast because the ink will dry out, and then you won't have that perfect finish to your DTF film when you apply it on your shirt. So all you do after you apply the powder onto the film, you're just going to go back and forth, making sure that every part of the design is perfectly coated with the powder. And if you have to add more, you can do that. And I like this powder because you can add it back into the bin and use it for any other design. So it lasts a real long time. And once you're done, all I like to do is just confirm, like make sure, double check. And then I just take the copy paper out from the back with the tape. And I'm gonna show you guys me putting it into the press so that it can cure it. Remember, you have to just hover over the film. You do not want to press down because you will get this stuck into your press. So now we are going to put the film onto the press. And again, you want to carefully place that, hovering over it for 310 degrees for 120 seconds. So we're going to let that cure, and then I'm going to show you guys how it looks after. So right now I am going to lint roll the shirt before I preheat it, and I'm literally going to preheat it for a few seconds, for about 3 to 5 seconds. That's all you want to do, but you want to make sure you lint roll, remove any wrinkles, moisture, and lint from your shirt. And then for this purpose, on the preheating, I will be using butcher paper. So all I did was cut off a piece, and I'm going to apply it on top of the shirt just to protect the shirt from the press. And again, I'm going to be pressing it down for about 3 to 5 seconds before we go ahead and apply the image onto the shirt so that we go ahead and press that. Now that that's done, I'm going to go ahead and place my ruler in the center. Sometimes I like to use the tag just to confirm, because this ruler is really old, so it bends a little bit. So I just want to make sure like it's completely centered. So once that's set, I'm going to go ahead and line up the image to where I want to place it. And once I like where it's at, I'm going to go ahead and use my resistant tape to place it and secure it onto the shirt. Once that's done, I went ahead and applied the butcher paper only because it's not hitting the image directly. I'm going to go ahead and press down for about 15 seconds at 320 degrees. Once it beeps, you want to go ahead and remove the clamp. And then you want to place this on the table, on the sofa, wherever you want to place it, but just remove it away from the plate because it's going to be hot. So now you want to let it cool down completely before you do the second press. So now that the shirt has completely cooled off, we're going to go ahead and add it back onto the press, and we're going to gently remove the film along with the heat resistant tape. And once we remove it, you want to go ahead and add the parchment paper over top to be able to secure the image, but also to protect it from the press. I might flip the shirt sideways because sometimes I like to just make sure that the image is really like on the plate for the second press. So we're going to go ahead and add the parchment paper onto the image, and then we're going to press down again for 8 seconds only. And once you're done, you're going to go ahead and remove the parchment paper from the shirt. And I'm going to go ahead and just flip the shirt over at my camera so I can show you guys how the design came out. So here's an up close of how it came out. Creative Fabrica is a digital marketplace platform with over 6 million designs for crafters and designers, where they provide free and subscription-based content. They also have so many different fonts and graphics and crafting that you're going to be able to utilize for your business, your project, and even your hobby. So I personally like to use this for my crafting business that I run from home, and they have so many designs, cute designs, fonts that I am able to either use heat transfer vinyl, sublimation, whatever method I'm using for my business. I'm able to just log into my account and be able to utilize whatever they have to offer, right? And right now, guys, they are offering free access to over 7 million fonts and designs for your first month, okay? Commercial license included. So the free trial offers 10 downloadable credit for 1 month. And after the 10th download or 1 month, the free trial converts into an all-access subscription for only $9 a month, which normally will cost you about $29 per month. You can even purchase the yearly for $59 a year and save more money. And the good thing also is that you're able to cancel at any time, no questions asked, guys. So if you want to be able to utilize the free trial offer, all you have to do, go onto their website and select where it says start free trial. And as you can see, you are able to start absolutely free for your first month. So once you proceed to checkout, you're going to go ahead and finish the next steps, and you're going to be able to utilize everything that Creative Fabrica has to offer you. This is the design I will be using for my shirt today, and this is normally about $1. And because I have the free trial activated, I'm able to download it for free with my 10 download credits that they offer once you activate your free trial. There you have it, guys, how to do DTF to sublimation hack using 100% cotton and this beautiful design. I absolutely love it. Again, I found this on Creative Fabrica, so if you guys want to be able to take advantage of the free trial, I am going to have all the information, the links and everything down in my description so that you guys can take advantage. I absolutely love how this came out. Number one, because it gives like a story, right? And then also, these are my favorite colors. So I had fun doing this video for you guys, and if you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And I do offer, like I said, my course where I teach you guys in depth, step by step, on the printer settings that I use when I do the DTF hack method and the app that I use to size up my images as well. So thank you all for tuning in. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that bell notification so that you can be notified whenever I post a new video. And once again, thank you, Creative Fabrica, for sponsoring today's video.